Hello.
Beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to your channel Rebbykit Foods, a channel of amazing recipe, amazing videos. If at all you are new with this channel, feel comfortable, feel welcome, and then thank you for your choosing Rebbykit Foods. Kindly view my videos. If you like them, give them a like. Make sure you share the videos with your friends on other social networks, and also subscribe. Remember also to turn on that bell button so that whenever posting a video, you will be among the first people to see my videos. For the returning subscribers, I salute you so much for always keeping tuned to new videos, for your support as well. Today, as you know, for my love for chicken, in my last video I did some chicken. I hope those who have tried it, and I hope you've loved it. So guys, today I'm coming with the drumstick. I want to make for you breaded drumstick. So kindly watch the video until the end and make sure you try these videos out. They are very, very tasty and delicious. So let's get to the cooking. That I'm going to make, and the ingredients are here. I have some potatoes which I've just peeled. I have some eggs. I have coriander. I have the breadcrumbs because I've just told you that I'm going to bread it. This is bay leaf. I love the taste of bay leaf. Then I'm going to use paprika, garlic powder, cornstarch powder, and onion powder, which is not here, but I'm going to use onion powder as well. So stay tuned. I'm going to start by boiling my peeled potatoes and boiling my drumstick chicken at the same time. So stay tuned. This chicken, boil them, so I'll press them in here. Before I cover it to boil, I'm going to add some salt to it. Then water is for potatoes. What I'll do, I'll add in some salt, some bay leaf, and then I'll add in my potatoes. My potatoes are ready. My chicken are almost. So what I'll do, I'll smash them first round. Before I put in anything else, I'll make sure it is smooth. Then I take out my drumsticks. This is my drumsticks chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove everything here. I'm going to remove the foreskin here. These are the meat, so you only remove the meat. Make sure there is no any other bone at all. Stay tuned. You see, this is the meaty part of the drumstick that I needed. So even this one, you have to prepare it well, because this is what you're going to use to make. So you see there's some here. So this is what exactly we need. So I'll put it aside and make the other You remove such, like I don't want to blend. If you so wish, you can blend this chicken, make it in small particles, but I prefer shredding it using a knife. So if you are in a hurry, you can so far blend, but I don't want it to lose taste, because once you blend, you'll have to add some water on it and it will lose its taste. So I prefer shredding it this way. After shredding all this, we'll add it in here. Mix. After this, I will add just a little salt. Guys, remember when I was boiling, I put some salt. So I'll just add simple salt to it. I will add in some garlic powder. I will add in some cornstarch. I will add in, lastly, paprika. I'll continue mixing up everything. Lastly, we're going to add in some little oil to it, vegetable oil. After you have mixed up everything well. So stay tuned. What I'm going to do is to have something like this. Mold it well this way, then we'll put it aside. Next, and for you to have best mold, put your hands on water, so this one will help you great deal. So take one, cover, mold it well. Keep it aside. Continue the same way. beat my eggs, my 4 eggs. I'll make sure I so next I will have I'll add some little salt to here. I will add some paprika there. Then I'll give it a good mix. I will add heat my oil and let my oil cook. So the first step I'll do, I will take one of these, I'll place it then put it there, coat it with breadcrumbs, and the coating has to be proper. So what we're going to do for this, for it to come out nicely and well, you have to do double coating, double breading. So I'm going to do it twice before I dip it in. This is the first coating of my bread. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to deep fry them first, then I will coat them for the second time, so stay tuned. Prepare second breading. We call it second breading. So stay tuned. chicken drumstick. They're so tasty. You can just see, you can just have a look how beautiful they look. So nice, guys. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So nice. So guys, please try this. Give my video a like, share, and comment down there. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.